Hello and welcome. Let's learn about histograms. Why do we make histograms? Well, we can create a picture of quantitative data by creating a histogram. For instance, if I have a large list of numbers here, ages, I can organize that list into what's very similar to a bar graph, but for numbers, called a histogram. And viewing a histogram allows us to make some conclusions about the data, such as in this case, where most of the ages are going to fall. Now, it's important to note that a histogram gives us how many numbers fall within a range. In this case, how many numbers fall between 0 and 5, 5 and 10, 10 and 15, 15 and 20, so on and so forth. So we see that most of the ages fall within 15 and 20, but we lose what those numbers are, what those exact values are. Are there a lot of people who are 18 years old? Are there a lot of people who are 16 years old? That is a downside to the histogram and worth noting at this time. Another thing that's worth noting is when you make a histogram, you need to decide what you're going to count by. In this case, we're counting by fives, but I could have also grouped the ages by tens, for instance, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and so on and so forth. And that's going to change the way a histogram looks. Last but not least, you have to decide what happens with the numbers that fall on the intervals themselves that you choose. For instance, if somebody is exactly 15 years old, are you going to put them in the lower group, 10 to 15s, or the 15 to 20 group, the upper group? It's totally okay if you do either, but you want to keep it consistent. For instance, if I put a 15-year-old in the 15 to 20 group, and then I see a 25-year-old, I should put them in the 25 to 30 group. So if you're going on the right side of any number, you're going to continue going on the right side of any number. Let's look at an example. Here we have a table that shows the top 10 most popular movies, and I'm going to create a histogram of their lengths. So I can view the lengths here, and in this case, I'm going to count by an interval of 20 minutes. You could count by half hours, for instance, 30 minutes, any number you want, such as 15. I'm just happening to choose 20 here. How many movies fall within a length of 80 to 100? Well, there's actually only one movie that does that, so I'm going to put a bar that's only 1 unit high between those two numbers. There are 3 movies that fall within a length of 140 to 160, 3 movies that fall within 160 to 180, 1 movie that's longer than 180 but shorter than 200, and last but not least, 2 movies that are between 200 and 220 minutes long. Once we have a histogram, we can make some conclusions. In this case, we can say that most of the movies are between 140 and 180 minutes long, or almost 3 hours. Are there any other conclusions that you can make? I hope this video is helpful and that you visit us again.